Hello everyone, my name is Ashita and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we will be talking about how to stop overthinking. While we all think while making decisions or evaluating a situation, but it becomes overthinking when we can't get out of our own head. Imagine someone comes to you and tells you that they can hear a voice in their head. You must think that this person is mad and this person needs to go to a psychiatrist. But the fact is that virtually all of us hear a voice or multiple voices in our mind all the time. This involuntarily thinking that we do not realize we have the power to stop that. So in today's video, I'll be telling you how you can stop overthinking and achieve that state where your mind is quiet and peaceful and there is no involuntary thought in it. So most people think that to stop overthinking, they need to control their mind. They need to have control on their thoughts. And that's where most people go wrong. You don't have to control your thought. Because when you try to control the thoughts, you give them more power by identifying with the thoughts. Instead, you have to be the observer. Watch your thoughts. And what I mean by watching your thought is to create a virtual gap in your mind. So whenever an unnecessary thoughts comes into your mind, do not indulge yourself into that thought. Do not judge it. Just try to listen what your mind is saying. So when you just observe the thought by not judging it or by not interacting with it, you'll realize that the thought just passes away. So let me just explain you this with the help of an example. So just assume that you're standing in your balcony. And when you're standing in your balcony, you see a lot of people passing by the road. So when the people are passing by, you do not try to judge them or you do not try to control their movement. You just let them pass. Similarly, whenever a thought comes into your mind, you just have to listen to that thought. At first, it is going to be really difficult, but through practice, you will achieve that state of no mind. And by the state of no mind, I mean that there is no unnecessary thought in your mind and you are at peace. This is the key to stop overthinking, and this is actually the essence of meditation also. Because when you try to control the thought, you give the thought more power by interacting or identifying with it. So what you need to do is stop identifying with that thought and start being an observer, as if you are a different person and listening to what the other person is saying. Here the other person is your own mind. So the next time whenever you hear that voice, just listen to it impartially. Do not judge it. And you will realize that there is this voice and here I am listening to it. It is a very good technique to stop overthinking, but it takes practice. At first, it will be really difficult to disassociate yourself from your mind and just keep on listening. But when you will just focus on the listening and not associating yourself with that thought, there will be a gap in your mind. At first, that gap will be smaller, maybe only for a few seconds, but gradually it will increase and you will achieve that state where your mind is at peace. And that state is called as no mind. No mind is not a state of unconsciousness. It is a state where there is no repetitive thought in your mind. Because if you think or just focus on what do you think most of the time, you will realize that the thoughts are repetitive and they're just useless. So by being an observer of your thoughts, you can get rid of that useless and harmful thinking and focus all your energies on what you want to do. This technique that I just told you about observing your thoughts is from a very famous book called as The Power of Now. That book also talks about being aware to yourself and being aware to the situation. Stop identifying yourself as an overthinker and rather try to be in the present moment. Just like as you observed your thoughts, observe your surroundings and observe your own emotions. And make it a habit to ask yourself the question, what is going inside me? And that will point you in the right direction. Just as you observe the thought and let them pass by, observe your emotions by asking this question and do not judge it. Try to focus on the smaller things around you. For example, when you are washing your hands, try to listen to the sound of the water. Feel the lather and the scent of the soap. By that ways, you're distracting your mind from the unnecessary thinking and focusing it on the present moment. Because 80% of the people keep on thinking about their past or keep on building scenarios in their mind of the things that might or might not happen. We constantly keep on worrying about the future or what has already happened in the past, and then negative thoughts starts coming in our mind and we indulge ourselves into overthinking, which do not help us but only cause harm to us. Do try this technique and you'll surely see the results. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, keep smiling and stay happy.